Meaning of Doctor Dolittle.
Doctor Dolittle.
Doctor Dolittle.
Doctor Dolittle.
Doctor Dolittle. Doctor Dolittle is a character in a series of children's books by Hugh Lofting. He is a doctor who can speak to animals, and his adventures typically involve him using this ability to help animals in need. The name Dolittle comes from the phrase do little, which suggests that the character is lazy or unambitious. However, this is contradicted by the fact that he is constantly undertaking adventurous and challenging missions to help animals in distress. Ultimately, the meaning of Dr. Dolittle is someone who has a special connection with animals and uses that connection for good.